Hi, I'm Cuni-Mertz, Features Editor of Baking and Snack Magazine, and welcome to this Baking and Snack Tech Expert. Bakers are increasing their investments in robotic packaging today, and in our July issue, we spoke with Edmund Konsen of Schubert North America on how these systems are solving their challenges around labor, product flexibility, and more. Today, he'll dive into the benefits bakers are reaping from robotics. Thanks for joining us today, Edmund.
Thanks, Lucas.
So let's start with that labor component because we know that is such a common pain point for bakers today, especially in their packaging departments. What packaging tasks are bakers automating via robotics?
Well, the number of tasks is growing by leaps and bounds every year. Honestly, at this point, it's everything from raw dough handling and shaping to finished donut packaging. The benefits are clear. You have a reduction in ergonomic issues, increased efficiency for production, and on the flip side, the quality of the work for the people actually on the line, it's no longer as repetitive or as damaging, but rather they move into more of a highly skilled and something more cognitive sort of a role.
Let's go into that a bit more. What advantages is this automation really bringing to these workforces, and how is it allowing employees to move into those more desirable tasks?
Well, the number one concern we always hear about is retention of employees. And as the work itself becomes more interesting, the employer, i.e., the baker, has a lot easier time retaining people. They can train people to do something that is more skilled, adds more value, and ultimately adds more profit to their bottom line.
And so moving to that product flexibility side, how have robotics evolved to better handle and package those more fragile and sticky products that have traditionally been more challenging?
Well, they definitely haven't gotten less sticky. It's still difficult, but what used to be next to impossible has been made easier through the years with better materials, better coatings, and honestly now sometimes hundreds, often thousands of times per minute at many of our customer sites, we might pick and place things like raw pizza dough, which is both tacky and flexible. We will pick and place iced donuts or something as flaky and delicate as a croissant, making sure to deal with the shape that evolves with each and every live baked product. And along those lines, pretzels similarly will be different every single time. And through the vision and also gripping capabilities that we have, we can target the places that are ever evolving with each and every pretzel coming down the line. And specifically, honey bun packaging, we pick and place 6 distinctly different sizes of products and shapes of products on one line at Carolina Foods. We pick it, orient it, place it for a flow wrapping process, and then also for cartoning. The customer can get the advantage because they can change over in 15 minutes or less, far below what the upstream machines can do. And also, on the off chance there's any sort of issue on the upstream machinery, can adjust the downstream machinery to make sure you're still packaging good product and not discarding it, thereby increasing profitability.
Excellent. Thank you, Edmund, for joining us today on this Baking and Snack Tech Expert.